Pig farmer and murder accused Zacharia Olivier's bail bid could not continue at the Polokwane Region Court in Limpopo. An emotional Olivier made his application alone without his two co-accused. Olivier broke down in tears before his matter could be postponed to the 18th of February next year. SABC News' Katlego Nyoni has more.
Pig farmer and murder accused Zacharia Olivier's bail application has been postponed and referred back to the Mankweng Magistrates Court on the 18th of February in 2025. Olivier appeared for the first time since the discovery of the remains of the two women, Maria Makato as well as Katlego. The remains thereof were discovered inside a pigsty at Sebayeng or on Vevacht. Well, for the first time, he appeared alone as William Musoro as well as Rudolph de Vet opted no longer to continue with their bail application. But then today we saw Olivier becoming very emotional inside the Polokwane Regional Court. Let's get more clarity as to what transpired inside court by bringing in the Deputy Director of Public Prosecutions in Limpopo, Lethabo Mashiane. Thank you very much for agreeing to talk to the SABC News. Just take us through today's proceedings. We obviously saw a very emotional Olivier inside court there.
Thank you. Yes, I also saw him being very emotional. I don't know precisely the reasons behind that, but effectively what happened is that the bail application did not proceed. The defense was not ready to proceed, and then the matter is now remanded back to Mankweng for the 18th of February 2025 for further investigations. Mr. Olivier will then be appearing together with his co-accused on that day.
And the reason for this specific postponement, was it because of the defense not being able to communicate effectively regarding today's proceeding?
That is what we were informed in court, that there was some bit of miscommunication between the instructing attorney and the counsel for the accused.
And the magistrate, Feleng Ntilani, instructed the IO to ensure that investigations still continue. Was that satisfactory for you to hear as a prosecution?
Yes, that has always been our instruction to the investigating team to make sure the outstanding investigations are finalized as speedily as possible so that the matter should be trial ready.
And finally, when this matter resumes on the 18th of February next year, can we expect that it will then proceed without any interruptions? We saw earlier on there was an internal matter of an appeal that was made by Olivier's defense. Do we anticipate that it will now continue without any more interruptions?
Yes, that is what we anticipate, and I think all the interlocutory applications have been disposed of, and the main matter should be able to proceed.
Thank you very much for your time. That is the Deputy Director for Public Prosecutions in Limpopo, Lethabo Mashiane, explaining what transpired in court. We know for now that this matter has been transferred and referred back to the Mankweng Magistrates Court. The magistrate Feleng Ntilani indicating that there is a regional court within the Mankweng Magistrate Court itself, indicating that for the Polokwane Regional Court they are inundated with other matters that they have to deal with, indicating that they cannot necessarily take the workload. We saw today in the proceedings Zacharia Olivier, the pig farmer implicated in this case and accused number one, becoming highly emotional inside court, leading to a brief postponement to consult with his legal team. Katlego Nyoni, SABC News in Polokwane.